Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will see how to test our application. So this is only a manual testing, not the unit testing part. We have completed all the application part, but if we face any issues while testing, we will fix them. So let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. Here, first thing, whenever we run our application, we are seeing two warnings. Let's fix that two warnings. So let me go into this, and it is expecting like we have to remove this particular question mark. Why? Because already we are checking node details. So if node details exist, then only it will come inside. Let me save this, and now it got solved. So warning is solved. Let me go to the browser, and here what we will do is let me go into the mock API and remove, that means reset all the data. So let me reset to all the data, that means 0 users, 0 nodes. So let me go here and now click on this. So we will be registering with a new user. So let me create Sai Kumar and Kurtiwada with sai@gmail.com, and I'm giving a phone number 10, or let me give 9090909090, and the password is sai@12345. And interested topics, let me add some interested topics over here. That is nothing but Angular, Java, Vue.js, React. So these are my interested topics. Let me click on I agree and just register this user. So I have registered this user. Let me go into registration. Let me go into the login screen. Let me go into login screen. So now here what I'll do is I'll log in with this user. Already we have created. Let's check that user is created or not. It created, and I'm clicking on this. You got the data over here. That is nothing but email. So let me copy this email, and let me go and copy this password. So whenever I log into this, let's see what is the dashboard we are seeing over here. So all are 0, only users are 1. That is what we are expecting. The users are 1, all nodes are 0, and my nodes are also 0. Let me go into nodes, and here let me add the nodes. So let me click on add nodes, my testing, and my testing description. So this is my nodes, and let me add the nodes. So nodes added successfully. One node has been added. Let me go back, and now let me add one more nodes. That is nothing but testing second. Copy this and put it over here with an appending of description, and just add the nodes. So now we have added the nodes. Let me type something and just click on cancel. So it is working fine. So let me go into check all nodes. You should have two nodes. Now we have two nodes, and let me go into dashboard. If you see, we have my nodes 2 and all nodes are also 2. Let me go into our nodes, and now let me click on edit part. When I click on edit, it has to pre-fill, yes, and it has been updated with all the date and time. So let me update this, update, and click on update nodes. Nodes updated successfully, and if you see the time, it got updated with 1 minute. So let me go into check all nodes, and you can see that updated one also. Now what we'll do, let me inspect this, check whether we have any errors. No. So everything is working as expected. Now what I'll do is I'll click on delete, and let me click on OK. So now the record has been deleted and only one record has been there. So now let me go into filter part, and let me type something, and we are not getting the data. So if you see here, the search on enter, we wrote on enter. So whenever I'm entering this, it isn't working. Let me go back and hit enter. Okay, it is working as expected. Now we have one test description, and we have only one nodes for us. Let me go into reset password. Let me change the password. What is my current password? Already we have the current password, sai@12345. Let me put that current password, and let me put sai@0909, and let me keep the same thing, sai@0909. Let me remove one. You can see the password should match 0909 and password does not match. Let's see why. Because 0909, here I gave 0900. So let me give 9, and now this is your current password. If I give the wrong current password and reset password, then current password does not match. So it should be matching. So my password is 5, and let me give password updated successfully. So now let me go into profile. Inside the profile, everything has been pre-filled. Let's remove this Kumar and add SKK, Sai SKK Kurtiwada, and this is my number. Let me update my number with 91 update. So if you see here, it got updated here also. So everything is working fine here as well. So let me go into our notes again, and you have one note and you have a dashboard, and we have tested reset password and profile. Let me click on logout. Now I'll create one more user. So let me create Techshare Sai Kumar and give the email techshareskk@gmail.com, and let me give a mobile number as 80808080 and 80. Now let me give the password. I'll give techshareskk@123. Tech interested topics is web development, and I want to go with web development and full stack. So these are my interested topics. Let me agree this, register. So I have registered the second user. Let me go into already register, and now let me go here and open this data again. So you have two users now. One is Techshareskk and Sai@gmail. So let me log in with Techshareskk, and let me go with the password. The password is techshare@123. Go here and put it over here and log in. Now you can see users are 2, all nodes are 1, my nodes are 0, because for Techshare I didn't created any nodes. So let me go into the nodes, 0 nodes. Let me click on add nodes, and now let me give some title, Techshare note 1. Copy this, put it over here, Techshare note 1 description, and add note. So now node has been created. Let me go into nodes. Now you can see one node, and if you go to the dashboard, there are two all nodes. One is from Sai and one is from Techshare, and my nodes is 1. Let me go into reset password. Already we have tested the reset password and profile. Let me click on logout and click on yes. So this is how we can test our entire application, and everything is working as expected. So there are no problems. Now we are ready to check our DB. So let me go here and reload. So now you can see users and nodes, two users, two nodes, one user for one node and one other user having one node. So that's it about your testing of this application. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.